How to change graphic settings in EA Sports FC mobile game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing EA Sports FC mobile and looking to change your graphic settings, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the EA Sports FC mobile game on your device, and once you're inside this home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up the settings menu. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go under customization and tap the pencil button right next to graphics. You'll then be able to see this display tab where you need to go to graphics from the top of the screen and choose the graphic quality you want. You can select the graphic quality that best suits your device, such as Power Saver, Medium, High, and Ultra. If you have a high-performing device, then you can go ahead and select High or Ultra option. If you're using a low-spec devices, then you can go ahead and choose the Power Saver or Medium option and tap Save at the bottom right corner. So now after you tap on the Save button, you will be able to change your display setting immediately. So that's how you optimize your game's display setting for the best balance of performance and visual quality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.